I'm struggling.
What's wrong?
I'm having trouble with my econ homework.
Well, maybe I can help. What is it on?
I need help with demand.
Oh, that's pretty easy. Well, in order to understand demand, you have to understand the law of demand first. Come with me. So here in this board, right? So we're gonna have price is pink and demand is blue. So as price goes up, demand goes down, right? For example, like you wanna buy something, right? But they like increase the price a lot. Will you still want to buy it?
No.
No, right? Because it's too much money.
Yeah.
And vice versa, you know? As price goes down, demand goes up. A good example of that is Black Friday, right?
Yeah.
A lot of people go, right? Why would they go?
Because the prices are cheaper.
Exactly. So that's how the law of demand works.
Hey George, I think I want some chips.
Yeah, me too. I would love some chips.
Whoa, these chips are expensive.
Look at this. Look.
$3.79
$3.79.
just for this?
What are they made of? Caviar? Let's go, Andrea.
Let's check the price here. I think it's cheaper.
Yeah, let's hope they have better prices.
Oh yeah, $3.
Oh heck yeah, $3?
$3.
What a steal. Give me all that.
Oh, yeah. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Makes sense. But what about substitution effect?
Did someone say substitution effect?
Yeah.
Okay, well, substitution effect is when the consumers react to an increase in price of a good. And so what they do is they go to a different good that does the same thing but at a cheaper price.
Go.
Here, this is an example of substitution effect. So this is a thermal flask and this is a hydro flask. The hydro flask is way more expensive than the thermal flask. And they look exactly the same, they do the same exact thing. Now, if you look in here, let's test them out. If you look in here, there's water and ice, same levels. Just to give you an example, if we come back in 24 hours, I bet you they will be the same. Yeah, so let's go and come back in 24 hours.
Okay. Oh.
Okay, that was 24 hours. Now let's go check it. Okay, so the 24 hours passed. Now let's check them. You see? They're exactly the same. And and this one's way more expensive and this one's way more cheaper. They do the same exact thing. Yeah.
Cool. So what about compliments?
Did someone say compliments?
What was that? Who is he?
It's me, Jorge.
What's a compliment? Oh wait, no, I know what a compliment is. I really like your sweater, by the way.
No, Jay, it's not a compliment. A compliment. Here, so a compliment is a good that is used in conjunction with another good. Here, let me show you. Here, eat this.
I can't eat it. It's basic and plain.
Exactly. Compliments.
Yeah, that reminds me of elasticity of demand.
What's that?
It's a measure of how consumers react to price changes. A good can be either elastic or inelastic. If a good is elastic, it is a luxury, and if it is inelastic, it is a necessity. If a good is inelastic and it's a necessity, that means no matter what, if the price goes up, you will still buy it because you need it. But if it is elastic and it's a luxury, then you will replace them for cheaper substitutes.
be $9.55.
Oh, never mind. I can't afford it. Can I just have a small lemonade?
Sure.
How much is it?
It'll be $1.
Yeah, I'm so poor.
Actually, Jace, you're not poor. That is called the income effect.
What's the income effect?
So the income effect is a change in consumption that happens when there's a price change, okay? And then that causes your real income to decline. For example, right now you ordered a pink drink, right? And it was too expensive, you couldn't afford it, and then you felt poor, right? Well, you're not really poor, it's just the income effect and your real income decline. So after not being able to buy that, you went for a cheaper substitute, which is the lemonade.
Okay, thank you.